Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modern Motors. Today, you can tell we're working on the car. We're talking about the car. We got a few new products. And I was supposed to make this video on Wednesday for those of you guys who follow me on Instagram. My bad. Things got in the way. I just didn't post when I was supposed to post. And I was busy. I'll be honest, I was doing nothing. I don't have a good excuse, guys. But sometimes
Hey, you can't even come up with
I couldn't even lie on the spot. Sometimes things just get hard.
You got me.
You got me. I actually had nothing better to do. But Love Island wasn't even on. I just really couldn't.
Stop outing us.
Sorry, dude. I just had I was tired. Okay, sometimes you just get tired. You guys who follow me for a long time, you know. There's no black car here. Yeah. If you watch the last video, taking it to the shop, dropping the motor. In this clip right here, you can really see us dropping the motor out. Teddy's already fast progression forward. And so today we're talking about products for this car. We're not working about the other car. You'll see that car when you see that car. Mm-hmm. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys for that portion of it. There's my update in life. It was just Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I got some new Meta glasses for Father's Day. Wow. If you guys saw my Instagram, I posted a little POV. I'm going to do some POV shots now. We're going to go over all the products we can go over today. There's a few products that I wanted to go over, but unfortunately, they had to be sent back to get some adjustments, and I can't talk about all of them today. But I can talk about one old product, which is our radiator shroud. All of our radiator shrouds are done, lasered, and finished. We have them all in stock. Once we run out of this stock, I don't know when we're going to restock. And that is because there's only so many Giulias out there, right? Mathematically, there's only so many Giulias. We sold a lot of these. By the way, we sold a ton of these already. There's only so many Giulias out there. I don't want to keep restocking a product. We also have stuff that is new in development that I think will do well. And if we do carry stock, it won't be open to like customization anymore. It's just going to be like one color. It's going to come just like this. So if you want something custom or a crazy color, now's your time to ask, because after this, it's just most likely we're going to either offer just black or just red. Most likely it's just going to be black because it's the most neutral color. But red is our most popular seller. We only have like I think 2 or 3 red left, and then those are sold out for permanently unless you want to do like a custom color that you want to pay for. And then black is going to be the only thing that's pretty much left in stock. Make sense? We're all on the same page. But I figured I'd put the last edition of it, or the last version of it, in my car because I don't have one in my car. And obviously, I took out my engine cover, so I don't have anything that says Alfa Romeo, so there we go. Now we look.
I'm wondering why we don't have an engine cover.
Yeah, because remember we did that stupid mod?
We don't have an engine cover in the Stelvio, right?
No, we don't have one over there either. There's no reason for that one. I just don't want to put it back. We don't have that mod.
I thought we took it off of there.
We actually took it off both of them and just, it's just easier to do maintenance and stuff, so we didn't put it back. But yes, we'll be getting that fixed whenever we do and then put the engine cover back. But that'll happen when it happens. The next product we have for you guys is a new product. This, I'm going to say this as slow as can, was developed by 2 people. Black Smoke Garage and RMJ Motoring. Okay? That's what you need to know. They developed this product. They needed somewhere to sell it. Modded Wear was the answer. We're selling this product right here on our website. You can go find it now. They're live, all that good stuff. RMJ Motoring, his name's Miguel. He's one of the moderators on the 2.0 group, and he runs Alpha Fest. If you guys don't know what Alpha Fest is an all alpha meet that's going to be in November here in the DFW area. I put it up on the screen. You guys can go look at it. You guys should definitely come out because we're going to be there, and we're bringing all the cars we can bring. And we'll be there. But he runs Alpha Fest, but he had this and he wanted to replace this product, which is, I'm going to show you guys right now what it is. But he wanted to replace this. He didn't have any 3D developing skills, or he couldn't really print this out and make adjustments to it. So he sent it over to his friends at Black Smoke Garage. They adjusted it for him. Then they sent it to him. He got this product made. And a lot of people seemed interested in it. So they shot it back over to me so I could retail it on the Modern Wear website. Everyone's happy. Everyone wins. And that's how we get this product. Now this product, if you guys care to know what it is, this right here, it's just like an ugly piece. It just has like a little fluff. This is just a replacement piece for it. It's not like a major, like you need to do it, but it is a really cool piece and it looks really nice and it cleans up all this nastiness. And those of you who care about your engine base don't want this to look all nasty and gross. And we're going to show you guys how to install this right now after we go over the next few things that we have to talk about. But this, to get the pricing for this, we put this into a manufacturer who does like 3D printing and sends you out products. To print this out, and the material that we're printing it out in, it was $130, not including shipping. Okay, We're selling this for under $100 with shipping included to anywhere in the United States. Okay, so we're trying to price fairly and price accordingly, but that's what we're priced at. Miguel just went on a 3,500 mile trip, I think somewhere around there. There and back, tested against different states, put a ton of miles on it, on top of already putting a ton of miles on it, and he had no problems, no heat issues, and all that good stuff. Okay, makes sense? We're all on the same page. We're gonna show you how to install that in a few seconds. Another product that we have is titanium badges. Those are in the works. If you guys really want titanium badges, I'm gonna give you the short answer to this. We're only gonna have 10 in stock. How well those 10 sell depends if we make more. If we buy more, the volume, so like there's a thing called MOQ, which is a minimum order quantity. Nobody wants to make these badges because it doesn't make sense unless we buy a large volume of them. In order for us to get these made, we have to buy a crazy volume to get them made in titanium, to the high grade titanium that I want to get them made in. So we have 10 in stock. Depending on how those 10 sell is depending on if we make more. That's just the reality of the business. We test a lot of things. We try to see if things work and if things don't work. And unfortunately, titanium is a really expensive material. We want to offer something a little bit different than what was on the market. So if you're one of those lucky people to buy the one of the 10, you may be one of the only people to buy that product either. It's not like we're trying to I don't know how to put this. Not like we're trying to limit quantities or limit product, make things limited edition. It's just things are expensive to manufacture, and there's a reason why there's not a lot of people manufacturing for this specific niche. You got to spend a lot of money to make a little bit of money back, and it doesn't always make sense, but we're at least attempting it. We found a manufacturer who would do a low order quantity just for us to test the market, which was 10 before we ordered a huge supply. The next order has to be that large supply or there's no deal. Make sense?
Yeah.
Makes sense. We're all on the same page. A lot of you guys have been asking, Ricky, where is the merch at? Where is the need money for Alpha? Where's more products at? And I could just be like any other person and just throw out a design on a shirt, charge you guys whatever price, and say, hey, we're Modded Motors, so just you got to buy from us. That's not the way we do things. We got feedback from our last shirt that they're shrinking in the wash, and so we went back to the drawing board. These are new shirts. These are a whole bunch of different samples of different weights of shirts. So this is like the lightest, and this goes all the way to the heaviest. Before we even bought more inventory, we're testing all the weights. I'm literally going to wear them in my daily use before I buy more. These are all pre-shrunk, pre-washed. We learn more as we go. The first shirt was super high quality and worked out really well, but I didn't like the way that the fit was, so we tried a new shirt, which was another high quality, but apparently you're not supposed to wash them in certain temperatures or they shrink. And they're not pre-shrunk, so now you got to pay more for not the pre-shrunk high quality material. It's a lot. It's a lot. So anyways, nonetheless, we have all the different weights here. We're going to test all the weights. The higher up in weight that you go, the more that it costs. So you have to be cautious about how we price them and how we purchase them, because if we price too high and you guys aren't interested, I wouldn't be interested. I don't want to buy an expensive shirt from a YouTuber just to sit in my closet. That doesn't make any sense. So we're trying to be smart with this. And then there's two levels of printing. There's screen printing, and then there's DTG, which is direct to garment. Some of these shirts, like for example, it's this one actually. This is probably the lightest shirt. Well, it says I think it's 240 or 60 grams.
I think it's 40.
240?
60 is the next one.
Whatever this weight is, this is the lightest weight, but this is direct to garment. So the other shirt was screen print, which is a little bit higher definition and detail. We don't have it listed right there, but it's a little bit higher attention to detail. The colors are richer, and it just has higher quality. If we're gonna bring the shirt back, it would look like this and like direct to garment, which would lower our overall costs, which could get us down to pretty cheap. If we brought this shirt back, if you guys wanted us to bring this shirt back, we could at a lower price, but direct to garment instead of screen print. Screen print would be working for something like this, and I can show you why. This is our heaviest weight. This is a new shirt, 952. Wow, look pretty cool, huh? So we did this in the print in the back. You can see the 952. Can you hold this up for me, actually? You can see the 952. I bought the whole thing for that, but no, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
We've gone too far.
Yeah. So we have the Giulia. These are actually pictures of the headlight, a wheel, and the tail light. and those are supposed to be actually my actual car. However, the detail doesn't come out as good because it's direct to garment and not screen print, and we could also probably clean up the file. But this was just a test sample. But I don't know if you guys like this shirt. We kind of did like all these shirts are test shirts. We don't know if we're going to bring them into production or not, but we figured we'd show them on video to see what you guys think and if you guys like them.
Yeah.
But this is a potential shirt, 952. You guys tell me what you think. We could also get it printed in green too instead of the black. But here's an option for you guys. And this is the heaviest weight. I'm going to wear this one all the time. I think I want to go with heavy, as I kind of did a quick try on all of them. And I think I like the heaviest one, but I'm going to wear this one and test this one out. The next thing that we wanted to do, we wanted to get like a shirt that was going to be like for like Modded Motors fan. Like if you really wanted to be like a Modded Motors fan, like I don't know how to explain it. Like we don't have like a club shirt, if that makes sense. So that's Modded MTR. I think it's a cool design. I think it's simple, to the point.
Nothing on the back. There's
nothing on the back. It's a simple t-shirt. And this is direct to garment as well. And we can just keep this direct to garment so we can keep the cost down and see if you guys like it. But yeah, that's...
I like this one.
Crystal likes this one a lot.
But I like the
simplicity.
Look. Yeah.
Modded Motors. Okay. This one has some backstory to it. I really like this one. This is the second heaviest one. This kind of has some like meaning behind it. So back a long time ago, my grandparents used to own a parts shop, which I'm not gonna tell you the name of it because you're gonna go find it. But they used to own a parts shop, and this was the same logo that they used to have, and so I just made it into our Modded kind of like family heritage thing. It's kind of pretty cool. I don't know. A lot of people in my family liked it because it resembles the old logo, but neither here nor there. And then this is the back. This is kind of more built for, like, we had a graphic designer build this for us, built with intent, because everything we build here on Modded Motors is with intent. And then Modded Auto Parts, Fort Worth, Texas, established in 2020. Cute. Which I really like this shirt too. The only thing that I did notice, one, I would probably do screen print for this one if I came to market with it, because like you can tell like the red just doesn't look as rich. But also the front of it, I got to make that smaller. I think that's way too big.
Yeah.
And I'd probably put it on a black shirt versus a white shirt.
Oh, you don't like the white?
I don't know if I like the white. That's all the products I can tell you about right now. We have like 10 more that are still in development. But again, the way that the cookie crumbles, other people watch my channel. I don't want to tell people what I'm working on, because if I tell people what we're working on and people steal the ideas, or people try to go to production with them from Chinese manufacturers and get it done way faster. I told you guys about the badge because we're almost done, and I think it'll take somebody a little bit longer to come to market with them. But I can't tell you about everything until we get further along than where we're at. But what I can tell you so far, I can tell you that the next thing that you guys will see, or you guys should see, the next 3 items that you guys see should have some good money invested into them, which you guys should be happy about, or you may not care about, but I invested a lot of money, so I hope you guys care. But I'll show you guys those in a future video. Alrighty, you see these clips? We're just taking that clip out. You don't have to do all this. I actually have a clip puller, so why I'm not using that, not too sure, but ugh.
Wow.
Gotcha.
Here, get you.
No. Look at that.
That's rough. Wow.
Placement. Again, you don't have to. You can stay with this if you want. Or you can upgrade in life and do the cool thing.
Oh.
Alrighty.
I'll give you one.
Just one.
Mm-hmm.
Ta-da.
Okay. 2. Here.
Ta-da. Look at that.
Wow, that looks way better.
Let me get the last one.
Yeah.
See if I can get into it. This is it, and all the kits that we're selling, we have the replacement, like in case those holes broke, we have a replacement piece right there, and then there's a nub back here. We have the replacement piece that's all included into the kit when you purchase this. So in case, for whatever reason, yours was damaged, you can just replace them and fix them, okay? Make sense? Way better.
It looks really good.
You can't tell me that doesn't look way better.
Looks sleek.
Sleek and clean. Now, the next video, it could be we're buying another car. Or it'll be something completely separate. Maybe that deal goes through or doesn't go to you.
Yeah.
But it could be a new car to the channel. And it's another Alpha, if that makes you feel better.
It is another Alpha.
So you guys cross your fingers and hope that goes through. But I have a flight scheduled in July to go look at the car and hopefully work out a deal. Hopefully you guys can appreciate what I'm doing with the merch as well. You know, we're gonna keep the shirt and the design for the blueprint shirts. It's only the Need Money for Alpha shirts that we're swapping just because we wanted to find something a little bit better. But I know you guys are spending your hard-earned money with me, and I want to make sure that I'm giving you the best product possible, and I'm not cheaping out on you guys, or I'm not like coming up short, and you guys are getting really good material, really good products, and you feel like every time that you buy from us, it's worth it. You know, everyone liked the Need Money for Alpha shirt. They liked the material. The only feedback that I got is like, "Hey, can it not shrink?" which is a fair ask. Like, you know, I washed it like 2 or 3 times, and like now it's not fitting the same way, and I don't want that. So us going back to the drawing board and saying, "Hey, send us 6 different samples. Let's try it out." I didn't show you guys the sweater. We have a sweater over there that we're testing out as well. But send us back before we print out more shirts with you guys, and we want to make sure we're doing right by our customers and by the people who support us and follow us. But yeah, hope you guys can appreciate what we're doing. Always trying to push the next level. We're always trying to keep going and pushing forward. If you have rocked with us for the last 5-6 years, we truly appreciate you. Appreciate you keep watching the content. Even if you don't own an Alpha anymore and you're still here rocking with us, we truly appreciate you guys. We love what we do. We love creating stuff for the Alphas. And again, at the end of the day, we love being car enthusiasts at the root of it, and we love creating content whenever we can and come bringing back videos whenever we can. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully we're buying a car soon.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully you guys will like it.
Yeah.
For sure, right?
Yes.
It took Crystal some convincing to buy it, but she's convinced.
I'm not convinced.
She's not convinced, but I told her we're gonna do it anyways. She got a Corvette out of it, okay? She's the one who drives this Corvette.
I think that's...
we both got in the car yesterday to the Corvette. My phone didn't even sync to the car. It's her phone that's...
Okay.
Her phone's syncing.
That's...
way more miles than me. It's not my... Crystal's put a significant amount of miles. She's a Corvette girl now. Definitely a Corvette Crystal.
You bought it for you.
I don't even get to drive it. She tells me I have to drive this car. I don't know. I don't even get to, apparently this is my content.
The new car's for you too.
Yeah, I don't know. She's probably going to take over that one too.